All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of the Wrestling Boot Winner's Choice. This is number 1, so we'll check the time, April 10th at 4:45 p.m. We're going to go over to the Raz and type live. We've got April 10th at 4:45 p.m. There is the list of our 13 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. That's not going to work. That's not going to work. 10 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Steve. Spot 8 is your winner. So, Steve, please message me with your selection. There is our verification code. Our timestamp, once again, April 10th, 4:46 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.